allow yourself in this beautiful guided meditation to give relaxation, to give peace back to yourself, and allow yourself to feel at ease from the world and the day's stresses. The only one thing I ask of you is just to take a nice slow deep breath in through the nose if you can. If you can't through the mouth, that is fine. Take one slow deep breath in through your mouth or your nose. And once you take one slow deep breath out, relax. I want you to really allow yourself to relax and go heavy. Feel as if the body, with every exhale breath that you breathe out, feel yourself deep and deep and deep, going within yourself by allowing your body to relax, allowing the muscles, allowing yourself to sink right into wherever you are now, the chair, or with the bed. But wherever you are now, just feel yourself with every inhale breath that you feel lighter. You feel more connected to yourself with that inhale breath. And with that exhale breath, I want you to feel yourself relaxing. Feel as if your body is starting to feel heavy, starting to sink in wherever you are now. And with the next exhale breath, I want you to feel all that oxygen going into your lungs. Really concentrate on feeling from the nose or the mouth down the throat into the lungs, filling up your beautiful body. And on the exhale breath, I want you to feel as if you're letting go and releasing all that negativity and all that no longer serves you. Feel as if you're being let go of all that stress, all that worry with that exhale breath. And again, take a nice slow in, exhale breath. Feel that inwards breath and that exhale breath, feeling more at peace, feeling more relaxed, feeling more and more centered. And with every breath that you take, feel as if yourself is beautifully calm. You feel there is no stresses, no worries of the day. Just yourself in this moment in time, giving back to yourself and relaxing, feeling at peace, feeling relaxed, and feeling good. Your body might feel more heavier and heavier and heavier, and that heaviness is something that makes you feel more and more relaxed. And within yourself, within your body, within your soul and your spirit will start to feel lighter with every inhale breath that you do now. Feel as if yourself is lighter from within and supremely relaxed on the exhale body. The exhale body is everything from the physical out of your spirit. So that be your physical, your mind, your emotions. Feel everything just relaxing, feeling at peace and feeling calm. I want you to take one more breath in. With this nice, very slow, deep breath in, I want you to feel as if your loved ones, your goddesses, your angels, whatever you believe in love and light, surrounding you in a beautiful, peaceful, loving bubble of white light. Feel that bubble surround you with all your loved ones and your spirit guides here to protect you, here to guide you, and here to bring you love and peace. They're only here for you and for nobody else. So just focus this beautiful time on yourself, as you deserve this peace and deserve this love. Feel yourself feeling more lighter and lighter within yourself. Feel as if you are at peace with yourself, peace with your body, your mind, your emotions, and your spirit is feeling that love and that calmness. Feel as if your inner self, your soul, your spirit is being lifted out to your body. Feel it lift you out of your body in love and light. Feel so peaceful, so calm, so tranquil. Feel all that. The spirit world, your loved ones, the universe, anything that you believe in, come forwards for you now and lift you out. You might feel as if you are light as a feather, being lifted out of your body in love and in light. And as you start to feel coming out of your body, your spirit, your soul, I want you to feel that your physical body is safe and sound. There is nothing to worry about as it relaxes and heals itself and heals from the spirit world as well. Feel all that love around you. Feel all that calmness around your physical body that you are able to let go and explore out of your beautiful body in your spirit. Feel yourself feeling light and feeling at peace, calm and relaxed, surrounded by your loved ones and your angels, surrounded by so many beautiful people that are there for you now. Feel all that positive energy surround you. Feel all that love, all that positivity and all that beautiful energy, as it is only for you here and now. And as you feel your spirit, and as you feel yourself more than ever, and your loved ones and your guardians and your spirit guides and any gods and goddesses that you believe in, Mother Nature, the universe, they're wrapping you round in this beautiful, calm, peaceful energy ball. And this ball, you feel so comfortable, so relaxed. You feel as if you are having a spa day, a treatment day for yourself, something to make you feel calm, relaxed and at peace. Feeling so beautiful, feeling so wonderful, feeling all that love that is here for you. And I want you, your spirit, yourself, to absorb all that beautiful energy that you are being given right now. Feel all that love. Feel all that calmness. Feel as if it goes into your spiritual body, your soul, your spirit. And feel all the energy rise and you lift and you feel so much more happier, so much more peaceful, so much more calm and so much more connected to yourself. Feel and embrace all this beautiful energy that is here. Feel the love. I want you to accept that love because you deserve love. Love as in a way of feeling beautiful. Love in a way that you feel at home and at peace. Love that you feel you are beautiful in many ways. There's that many ways of beautiful love that they're giving to you that you just feel indestructible. You feel safe and secure, and you feel amazing. And I don't want you to pass that love on to anybody else. I want you right here to accept all that love. Accept everything that love has to give to you, has to offer you, and is bringing into you. Love from a pet, love from a family member, love from an angel, a guardian, a spirit guide, any gods and goddesses. Really feel their touch, that energy going into your soul. Feel the love from Mother Nature and the universe. Feel all that they have to give to you and say thank you. Be grateful And the more thankful and grateful you are, the more and more it comes into your soul, more and more faster, more powerful, more and more strong. And this feels so amazing. This energy that you have given back to yourself feels so powerful that this energy is yours to keep and yours to use. Knowing that you have the love and the protection from your spirit guides, your loved ones, your ancestors, and anybody who comes forward for you now in love and in light. Feel all that love and that protection that they bring. Embrace it. And just feel that amazing peace. Feel that amazing energy. And feel at one with yourself. And just feel, and by you acknowledging your spirit, how it feels, is the most beautiful feeling in the world. That amazing feeling that overwhelms you in a good way, helps you in a good way, and guides you in a good way. Feel all that beautiful love, all that beautiful energy, and feel at peace. And just feel that amazing. And now as you feel it in a beautiful way in your spirit, your soul, I want you now to connect back to your physical body, and we are going to connect that energy from your spirit to the physical, to the mental and the emotional, and feel empowered, and feel strong, and feel amazing. To feel as if now your spirit, your soul, is slowly drifting back down into the physical body. It's like as if you've let go of a beautiful feather, and you're watching this feather go down and down and down into the body. And as you connect to your body, start to feel the energies going around your spirit and your body at the same time. As you connect, you might feel it in your hands first, you might feel it in your feet, you might feel it into your legs and into your hips. You might feel all that beautiful energy rushing around your body, into the shoulders, into the neck, into the mind, into the eyes, the ears, the hairs, the mouth and the nose and the chin. Just feel. I don't want you to open your eyes. I just want you to feel all the energy from your spirit connecting to your physical body. Feel it go round and round, and you just feel this beautiful energy. An energy that you can't describe, but it brings you happiness. It brings you peace, and it brings love and joy from your spirit, your soul, all the way to your physical body, going from the cells and the blood, the skin, the bones, the organs. You just feel as if you feel so much better than you did before. You feel so much lighter and jollyful, and you feel like a kid at Christmas. You feel so positive, you feel so amazing, and you feel as if you are transforming into a beautiful light being from your soul to your physical body. And as you feel and embrace all that beautiful energy, you just start to feel and think and feel the emotion of happiness. Nothing can stop you. Nothing can bring you down. Nothing is there to hold you back. You feel more empowered than ever. More empowered to get your goals. More empowered to take on the world and win. I just want you, just for a moment, just to feel all that beautiful energy and feel that empowerment within yourself. Doesn't it feel so good? And say to yourself in your mind of how amazing you feel right now. And now it is time to come back to this world by feeling and being able to move your toes, feeling and be able to move your feet and your ankles and your legs and your knees, going into your thighs, into your hips, feeling them and being able to move them, feeling all the energy rise into the stomach, into your beautiful lungs, into your heart, going into the shoulders, going down the arms, into the elbows, into your forearms, into your hands, into your fingertips as well. And then feel that energy come back up into your neck, into your chin, into your mouth, your nose, your ears, your eyes, your forehead, your third eye, and into your brain and into your hairs. Being able to feel and be able to move them. Being able to think freely as well. And when you feel that you have connected back and you feel that beautiful energy, I want you to thank the spirit world and also thank yourself for giving you this beautiful time, and enjoy.